A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों आपको पता है, आज हम नया चैप्टर शुरू कर रहे हैं. The name of the chapter is the making of the national movement 1870 to 1947. Chapter number 9, class 8th subject history. डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों आफ्टर 1857 के बाद 1857 AD नेशनलिज्म इमर्ज्ड इन द कंट्री. नेशनलिज्म इमर्ज्ड in the country as Indian started getting education. They came to know that the British have illegally जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे उन्होंने इलीगली यानी गैर कानूनी तौर पर they came to know that the British have illegally occupied India. So they started forming association. उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने associations बनाई. So they started forming associations. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों द आर्म्स एक्ट जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों आर्म्स एक्ट जो है द आर्म्स एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन 1878 disallowing Indians from possessing arms. Disallowing Indians from possessing arms यानी dear students Arms Act of 1878 AD was against the Indians. It disallowed them from possessing and using any type of arms. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों in the same year the Vernacular Press Act was also enacted. In the same year यानी 1878 में ही एक नया एक्ट जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों Vernacular Press Act was passed. Vernacular Act was passed by Lord Layton in 1878. In 1878, in the same year, the Vernacular Press Act was passed. Vernacular Press Act was passed, also enacted in an effort to silence those who were critical of the government. The act allowed the government to confiscate the assets of newspapers, including the printing presses, if the newspapers published anything that was found objectionable. Objectionable या प्यारे बच्चों अकॉर्डिंग टू, या हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्नेक्यूलर प्रेस एक्ट 1878 by Lord Layton. Newspapers in regional languages in India were not allowed to print anything against the Britishers. To print anything against the Britishers and their policies, और जो उनकी पॉलिसीज हैं उनके खिलाफ नहीं लिखना है, and their policies so it was a kind of ban. It was a kind of ban on Indian regional newspapers. Newspapers. इसके बाद पर बच्चों in 1883 जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों and the Abbott Bill in 1883. The Abbott Bill also eroded Indian sentiments. Abbott Bill eroded Indian sentiments. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों in 1883 there was a furor यानी हंगामा. There was a furor over the attempt by the government to introduce the Abbott Bill. The bill provided for the trial of British or European persons by Indians and the sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों but when white opposition forced the government to withdraw the bill, Indians were engaged. The event highlighted the racial attitudes of the British in India. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों in 1883 Abbott Bill was introduced by Lord Ripon because he wanted to give equal status to Indian judges. Indian judges, equal status to Indian judges as compared to the British judges. As compared to the British judges. तो प्यारे बच्चों इसके साथ ही हमारा आज का जो टॉपिक था कंप्लीट होता है. इससे आगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.